most monster trucks in Proving Grounds. The road to Hot Wheels. Here at Mega Rex's Dino Ridge, prehistoric beasts face off against modern-day monster trucks.
Nothing beats a dino. You all don't know what you're in for.
It's Roar against Rev. Teeth against Roar against Rev.
Dinosaur? Against a bunch of sore losers!
This course is vicious, brutal, endangering, an extinction-level event. And what do our trucks have to say to all that?
Challenge accepted.
This is Proving Grounds. The road to Camp Crush.
Smash and roar! 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 All right, some dinos crossing the track. Now it's a party.
Oh, yo, that's my fault. The hot. Oh, God damn it.
Oh, I told you, you're better than man.
Yeah, well, I'm mad. Okay, I took this go to Father Raya, and now it's
Mega Rex versus Gangster. 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 Gangster.
This is my turf, Gunkster! The only gunk around here is in the tar pits!
What'd you say about gunk?
Feast your eyes on the Jurassic Trail! Only the fiercest can survive!
Go big! Go Hot Wheels! Oh! They nearly missed the stomping dino! Whoa! A dino bone flips Mega Rex's bumper! It's a fossil flip! Whoa! But it's not enough to trash this truck! Mega Rex wins! Showing the dinos he's one of the dudes! Let's see what happened to Gangster!
Hey, who left these eggs here?
Gangster crashes head first into some dino eggs! You know what they say, you can't win a race without crashing into a few eggs. Mega Rex slides his way to a victory!
Yeah! Alright, bro, Dino Bump! Dino Horde is mine!
Dino's all mine.
These dinos better remember, I invented first place.
Let's talk more rock.
Go big! Go Hot Wheels!
Yeah!
Demo Derby going off-road to try and make it over Dino Skull Ridge! Modern tire catches, sending her tumbling! While Race Ace speeds past the stumps to make it to the finish line, and on to the next round!
Yuck! This is the pits.
Look at that tar pit gunk. Demo Derby's so lucky.
That stupid skull tripped me up.
On me. Follow me!
The trucks race down towards the dino 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 crossing. Can they make it through the stomp?
Posting about Among Us!
Focus and now!
Hey, watch it!
Ouch! Bone Shaker takes a foot to the fender.
Oh, that's nice. Want to see a cool magic?
And 5 Alarm takes home the win.
Guess you can't handle the heat, Bone Shaker. Wait, where is Bone Shaker?
I'll get him next time!
He's probably fine.
How's it going, Bone Shaker?
God, that was perfect.
Nice job, Tiger Shark!
Potato. What is going No. It's coming on your mouth. It's not getting in the roster.
I get.
Shut up! Can you get out of my car? Carp.
What a dino day! Dino Egg stopped Gungster in his tracks! Race Ace knocked Demo Derby into the Triassic period, and 5 Alarm made a fossil out of Bone Shaker! The trucks that survived will duke it out in a triple header to see who has what it takes to make it to the upcoming Camp Crush!
That's a bit sussy. You need to shut the fuck up. Fine, keep jumping.
Find out next time on Proving Grounds, the road to Camp Crush.